friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Donald Duck for beginners. So first let's get started with the eyebrows above our eyes. And we're going to start with an arch line on both sides, lining it up at the same height. Now in the middle with the hair, connecting that together, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then starting from that point, just bringing this line back over and down on the right. Now from here, we're going to leave a small gap coming down on the left, curving this like around and then in. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side and replicate that. And then now let's close this off for the side of the head, just connecting that together, curving this down on both sides. Let's move up and draw on the hat now. So on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line up. And then now from here, we're going to start further out above this, curving this around and then down on the left. Now on the left hand side for the hat, we're going to arch this around and then in. And then below this, arching this around, bringing this further across and bringing that back in on the right. Let's draw on the strap hanging below now on the side. So we're going to curve this line down on the left. We're going to do the same as we move down on the right, and we're going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes in on both sides. Now let's move up and draw in the mouth. So on the right hand side, we're going to bring this line up, down for the eye, and then in. We'll do the same over on the left, bringing this up, down for the eye, and then in, ending that at roughly the same height. And then now from here, let's connect this. So we're going to extend this line up and towards the middle, and then we'll do the same on the right. So we're going to arch this further up and over. And now let's draw in the eyes. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big oval, curving this up and back down. And then we'll do the same on the left, arching this up and then back down again. For the pupil of our eye now, starting from the side of the eye, we're going to curve this around and down. For the highlight of the eye now, we're going to draw in a small oval in the center. Let's close off the rest of the mouth now. So we're going to draw in a small bracket in the middle on both sides. Now from here in the center, we're going to curve this line out, in, back across for the beak. And now we're going to connect this together with a small arch line, bending that slightly towards the top. Moving up in the center, we're going to draw in another small curved line. In the middle, let's draw in the letter V. On both sides again, we're going to curve this down. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a small curved line. Let's step over again, arching this down, curving this across and through, ending that at the same height. And then again, just closing this off with another curved line on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Donald Duck for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.